Hey guys, my name is sandhikshandas and very welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show how to add any Bluetooth speaker or Bluetooth home theater with your Amazon Fire TV stick. So let's start the tutorial. But before starting, I have a request. If you're new, then please consider subscribe my channel, tap the bell icon, select all. Don't forget to hit the like button below, share with your friends and family, follow me on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. If you have any query regarding this tutorial or regarding Amazon Fire TV stick, you can ask below in the comment section. However, so without wasting your time, let's start the tutorial. So here you can see this is the Fire TV 6 interface. So you have to go to the settings. So just go to the settings and then come at the Bluetooth and remote and Bluetooth device option. Here you can see and just come inside, and here you can see other Bluetooth devices. So here you have to come. If you want to add the game controller, then you have to go there, search your device, and you have to add. So for Bluetooth speaker, Bluetooth headphone, Bluetooth keyboard, any types of Bluetooth device, wireless device that is based on Bluetooth, you have to come at the other Bluetooth device from the remote and Bluetooth device option sub menu. So just go inside, and here you can see my Bluetooth home theater was already connected, and this I was just paired, but right now it is disconnected. So I will show how to add another one. So here you can see add Bluetooth devices. So here you have to click that option, but before clicking, make sure your Bluetooth device, maybe your here I am using the Sony Bluetooth speaker, maybe your Bluetooth speaker or Bluetooth home theater is turned on or powered on. So after powering on, here I am doing powered on. Okay, so make sure your Bluetooth device goes in the pairing mode as soon as you press the power on button. So I am pressing the pairing mode option. Bluetooth pairing. So it is on pairing mode, and now click on add Bluetooth device. It will search and it will give the name. So here the Bluetooth speaker name is SRS-XB21 of Sony. So you have to just click as soon as your Fire TV 6 found your Bluetooth device. So just click on that. It is, you can see, pairing the device, and your device will be paired on. Okay, so when you are adding any types of Bluetooth home theater or Bluetooth speaker, your Wi-Fi performance may impact, or you can you can see any audio issue, maybe audio cutting or audio signal dropping issue. So better to connect with a 5 GHz wireless router than a 2.4 GHz. So that's obviously inbuilt, maybe you can say a bug or something like that. You cannot fix, and it is already giving a warning. So you can click OK. So that's the way you can add any types of Bluetooth speaker or Bluetooth home theater easily. And same way you can add a game controller. You have to go inside, you have to switch on your game controller, and you can search and add. Now I will play some music from YouTube. Alexa, play NCS music from YouTube. Alexa, take me to home. Okay, so you can see the process how to add any Bluetooth speaker, Bluetooth home theater very easily with your Fire TV 6. However, so that's the way. I hope you have liked this video and you have found this video helpful. If you have found this video helpful, then please hit the like button below. Just go and do yourself and let me know in the comment section that was the video helpful or not. And also please subscribe my channel, tap the bell icon, select all. You will receive all notifications from my side. Don't forget to share with your friends and family. Follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Twitter, Instagram. Links in the video description below. So I hope to catch you soon in my next video. Till then, take care. I was Sandhikshandas signing off. Have a great day.